Hello and welcome. Today in this video we are going to learn how to apply relative reference in VBA code. In previous videos we have learned how to apply relative reference in macro recording, but here we will learn how to write code about relative reference. So let's go to the computer screen for detail. So we are in the computer screen now. First we will introduce the VBA window. Alt F11 I will press. You can see it came here automatically. Okay. Now I will write the code here. Before that I will insert a module and insert a sub like relative. So what is our sub name? Relative here. Macro name is relative. Okay. Let me arrange the window side by side first. I will keep it left side and the Excel on right side. Okay. So Windows 11 gives us this option. Very easily we can arrange. Okay. So here suppose this cell is selected. I am just highlighting it. Okay. And we need to select this cell. So what is this cell basically? 2 cells down and 1 cell right. Okay. I will write this code, write a code that will select this cell. If this cell is selected, it will select automatically this cell. Okay. I will try it. So I will type here active cell, which will bring the active cell number. Okay. Dot offset. As we have used offset function in Microsoft Excel, we can also use offset with same methods in VBA code also. Okay. So I will open the parenthesis here, and here we have option to enter the row offset. So the selection is 0 and we need to select the 2 row below. Then I will type 2 here. Okay. So row offset is 2 and column offset is 1 because I need to go to right side 1. Okay. This is my selection dot select. So if this cell is selected and I run this code, then you can see this cell get automatically selected. If this cell is selected and again I am running this code, you can see this cell is selected. That means every time it's going 2 row below and 1 row right side. We can also do the same thing without offset. Let's try that also. So I am just commenting it out and I will use here cells option as we learned in previous videos. Okay. So in cells we have 2 inputs, row index and column index. And in previous video we have also learned how to fetch or extract the row number and column number from a cell. So here what is our cell? Active cell. Activecell.row. So instead of row index I am typing this activecell.row. It will select the, it will bring the active cell row number plus 2. So for this selection active cell is 4. So what will this code do basically? 4 plus 2, 6. It will be bring automatically 6. Okay. So it is my row index and column index what? Activecell dot column plus 1 dot select. So this code will also do the same thing as this. Let's try also this. I am just selecting this one and running this code. So you can see same cell getting selected automatically. So we have learned here 2 methods how to do the relative reference here. In between these 2 options, what we will select? Let me know in the comment box. Okay. So now we will learn about some more options, like we need to make a design, like if this cell is selected, this cell, this one and this one. So our selection is this one and around 4 cells are getting colored automatically. We will make a macro regarding that. Let's try it. Before that I will make it comment out and we will do it with help of offset. Let's try. Before that I will delete these cells, colored cell. Okay. So I am typing here activecell dot offset. So what is our first selection here? Top cell of the selection. So in row offset we will mention -1 because in offset the selection is 0. Okay. And upper side is minus, left side is minus and lower and right side is plus. Okay. So we need to go to the above row or above cell, then I am mentioning here row index as -1, comma, column offset is 0 because we need to stay at the same column. Dot interior dot color. So what is interior dot color? When we are going to put some color in some cell, we need to write down some interior and color. So what I have typed here basically activecell.offset dot interior, okay, dot color equals to VB green. So VB green is a color name basically in VBA. So in VBA we can write down color through name, through RGB code, through code also. We will learn about that in future videos. Okay. So this is the first code. I will copy it to save some time, and I will paste it 4 times. So first this cell gets selected. Now we need to select right cell of the selection. Then our row offset will be 0 because we need to stay at the same row, and column index will be +1. Now we need to select the bottom cell. Then it will be +1 and our column will be 0. Okay. Now we will go to the left cell, then it will be 0, I mean the row index will be same and column index will be -1. So what I have done here, to select the above cell, minus row index is above and column index same, and here to right side 0 and 1, 1 and 0 and 0 and -1. If I select this cell and click on run, you can see surrounding by the selection getting colored. We will make the thing more advanced, like what? As I am clicking on the play button or run button, then the macro is getting run. We can also run this macro with some events. Let's try about one. I'm just copying the macro name and going to the sheet. So this is our sheet, basically sheet 1, an object, and it represents this cell basically, okay, this Excel sheet. So I will write this code into the sheet. That's why I will right click here, go to view code, and I will select in general I will select worksheet, and I will set the event as double click. Before double clicking, the code will run. So here I will go the selections change, and I will go to the before double click. So this code is for selection change, I will delete it. So here I will call this macro. So in VBA, to call any macro, we need to write down call space the macro name. Okay, that's it. So here you can see call relative I have typed here. Okay. Now we will go to the Excel sheet here, and we will just double click here. You can see while I am double clicking here, the surrounding cell getting colored automatically. Hope you got a concept about the offset function. You can use it various way. If I go to the code, and while we need to put the offset function, then you can use these methods also. Okay. So I will share this file. You can download it from the description. Put a thumbs up here if you like this video. If you are new to this channel, hit subscribe button followed by bell icon. We will meet in a new video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.